Hi, I am Begum Saparalieva. I know English, French, German, Russian and Kyrgyz language. I want to visit the USA because I want to improve my English, and it will be useful for my future profession. It's my dream with childhood, and I am active, talkative, extrovert, hardworking and flexible. About my work experience, I started work early. I worked as shop assistant in department store. I consulted and served the customers, created the guarantee document with the customers, received new goods, laid out wares and packed after selling. Then I worked as cashier in bookmaker. I served the customers and provided online for the customers, and I was responsible for money and I counted the cash. Then I worked as waitress in cafe. I served the customers, cleaned the workplace, and I helped in the kitchen. Then I worked as assistant in Institute of Consulting Management, and I answered the phone, prepared PowerPoint presentations and prepared daily reports, helped for management with documents and served the customers. And that's all. I hope that you will choose me, and soon we will together work. So bye.